If you've ever found a song on YouTube Music and you want to use the song as your ringtone, here's how you can do so quick and easy on your Android phone. The first thing you need to do is open YouTube Music. So find the YouTube Music application and open it. And then you want to go to the song that you want to set as your ringtone. You want to play the song. You can also search in the search section for the song. So simply go ahead and find the song you want to set as your ringtone. Tap on it and play the song. You can also go to the part of the song you want to start as your ringtone. Now once you're there, you want to start a screen recording of the song. You can use your Android phone screen recorder. Simply drag down from the top of your notification toggle and tap on the recorder button here. If you do not find the button, you can also drag down here and then tap on the pencil icon. You also see other tiles that you can drag to the main tiles in this section. So simply tap on the record button and you see several options here. The only important aspect here is record device audio. So toggle this on and then you want to start a recording. Now after recording, you can proceed to stop your recording. This will create a video file that will save to your phone. Now if you do not find the screen recorder on your Android phone, you can also go to the App Store and then in the search section for your App Store, you can search for X Recorder. You see the X Recorder application. Go ahead and install it. You can also install any recorder you want from the Play Store. Now when you open the recorder, you'll also be able to do the same thing when you hit on record. You'll be able to record internal audio only and turn off microphone before you hit the start button. Now once you have the video file, the next step is to convert it to an audio. And this is very easy. You also want to open the App Store on your phone and search for audio editor. You find the audio editor application, you can go ahead and install it. Once installed, you want to open the audio editor application. You'll see the option to convert video to MP3 in this section. Tap on this and then you want to proceed to select your video which you recently just recorded and then tap on next. Now you see and be able to listen to your audio profile. You want to drag this to the start of the song. You can also adjust volume in this section if you want it to be louder. Once you're done, simply tap on save in this section and your ringtone will be created. You can also tap in this section to rename the ringtone for easy identification. After giving a name, tap on confirm in this section and you can minimize. And the final step is to set this as your ringtone. On your Android phone, you want to tap on settings. Another settings here, you want to find sound and vibration. You can also search in the search section here for ringtone. It will also bring you here. So find sound and vibration, tap on it and then scroll to the bottom section. Somewhere here you'll find your ringtone. Simply tap on it and then tap on my sound. You see the option to choose files from your internal storage for your ringtone. Here you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and you can tap on the 3 horizontal line in this section and switch to audio. Here you want to tap on unknown and find my audio editor. Scroll and find the audio file with the file name you saved it and select it in this section. Tap on it to add it as your ringtone and it will be added in this section. The next step is to tap on the sound and then tap on save. This will be saved as your ringtone. So that's how you can set YouTube Music as your ringtone on your Android phone. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, share this video and subscribe to this channel.